When your car remote key stops responding, don't panic. This is a common issue with straightforward solutions. Let's identify and fix the most likely causes. The most common culprit is a dead or weak battery in the key fob. Nearly 30% of all car key issues stem from this simple problem. Start by replacing the battery. Most key fobs use a CR2032 or CR2025 lithium battery. These are readily available at most stores and are inexpensive to replace. Critical step: ensure correct battery orientation. The positive and negative sides must match the markings inside the key fob. Incorrect orientation will prevent the fob from working. If battery replacement doesn't solve the problem, inspect the key fob for physical damage. Look for cracks in the plastic casing, broken buttons, or signs of water damage. Clean the battery contacts with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab. Corrosion or dirt on the contacts can prevent proper electrical connection even with a new battery. Consider signal interference from electronic devices, power lines, or large metal objects. Move away from these potential sources of interference and try your key fob again. Key fob batteries typically last 1 to 5 years depending on usage. As a best practice, consider replacing your key fob battery annually to prevent unexpected failures. Finally, test with a spare key fob if you have one. If the spare works, but your original doesn't, you've confirmed the problem is with the original fob and not your car's receiver system. If replacing the battery and checking for interference doesn't solve the problem, the next step is reprogramming your key fob. This process varies significantly between different car manufacturers and models. Your vehicle's owner's manual contains specific reprogramming instructions unique to your car model. Some vehicles require you to insert the key, turn the ignition to specific positions, and press buttons in a particular sequence. If reprogramming doesn't work, try resetting the car's electronic control unit, or ECU. This involves disconnecting the negative terminal of your car battery for 15 minutes to clear the system's memory. Disconnect the negative terminal, wait exactly 15 minutes, then reconnect it. This resets the car's computer systems and can resolve communication issues between the key fob and vehicle. A weak car battery can also affect your remote entry system. The car's receiver needs adequate power to detect and respond to your key fob signals. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it's time to seek professional assistance. Qualified technicians have specialized diagnostic tools and can handle complex reprogramming procedures. Professional options include automotive locksmiths who specialize in key fob services or your car dealership's service center. They can diagnose complex issues, reprogram keys, or provide replacement fobs if needed. Remember, modern car security systems are sophisticated. Professional technicians have the proper equipment and knowledge to safely resolve complex key fob issues without damaging your vehicle's electronic systems.